Hey guys, this is Tiffany Fox and I am coming at you with a tutorial for my new set of 34 Color Study Skill Builder cards. They are designed, let me do a little pan here and show you. There is a sea of fabulousness here. Please excuse my rudimentary video skills, but it's a set of 34 cards. All skill levels. You can see we got something for everybody in the room, from a little more simple and direct to slightly medium, and then we got some more intricate, and then we have what I like to call the intermediate advanced. You can see they're just gorgeous, and they're designed to be used with these worksheets. And I printed this on drawing paper. And what you can do is, once the kids are finished drawing, there are 10 worksheets with grids and 10 worksheets without, and they have 10 different frames. So once they're finished, you cut this out and you have a gallery display, and it's instant. So I'm gonna do this task card right here with Crayola colored pencils, just to show you what you can do. And I have the 50 set of Crayolas. Here's my 50 set. Ooh, look at that. That is lovely camera work there. And so I'm just gonna start laying this out in my graphite pencil, if I can find my graphite pencil. Here's my graphite pencil. Maybe we won't use graphite. Maybe we'll just use this purple guy right here, or this blue guy right here. So this is light blue. Now, I'm not gonna call out, oh look, too, there are no grid and grid options, so you can just print them two-sided. This is one of those things that is a one-time prep. One-time prep is the best prep ever. All right, so as you can see, I'm sorry, I got a phone call and I was drawing during the phone call, so this part of the video got skipped. But this is the contour line, of course. I did this with the orchid color. This is a 50 set of Crayola colored pencils. And so once I laid the basic contour line, I'm going in with the orchid into all of the mid-tone and dark values. And I'm just like laying a really nice foundation. You know, we gotta help these dark values out. We gotta give them some assistance. And if we put these cool colors in, purples, greens, violets, in this case, I'm going with violets. I'm sorry, purples, blues, greens is what I should have said. Just gonna go in here and start to build some form with our cool colors, and then we're gonna lay our local colors down. This is sort of a periwinkle blue succulent plant, very beautiful. So, and this is Crayola colored pencil, set of 50. Like I said, in this product, in this teacher resource, these task cards, set of 34 task cards. So just print front and back, laminate. It's a one-time prep. Boom, you are done. And when I'm building color, I don't care what the medium is that I'm using, I am always looking for colors within the colors, if you will. Like I can see some turquoise. Could be the light source, could be whatever, I don't know, but I see it. So I'm gonna put it in there. Rich dimensional color is the key. On my YouTube, you will also find a Crayola colored pencil basics video that I would highly recommend watching, because it gives you the basics for, yeah, that's pretty deep, isn't it? The colored pencil basics video gives you the basics. Oh, that's great, Tiff. Way to impress the people. But that will give you all of the building the dark values background that you need to do things like this with ease. So I think I'm gonna switch to time lapse. So, you know, you're not sitting here for the next 12 hours watching me do this. And like I said, this product is a set of 34 task cards, drawing task cards. You can use colored pencil with them. You could use watercolor. You could use oil pastel. And depending on what you print the worksheets on, you know, if you're doing watercolor, go ahead and print the worksheets on watercolor paper. Why not? Just put those suckers into your copier and cut everything to 8.5 by 11. Anything up to about 110 pound weight paper-wise is not going to jam your copier. You get over that, and then you might jam it up. Okay, I'm going to time lapse. I'm going to build these values. You're going to be able to see what I am using to build them. But you know, this is fun. Just relax. This is a very zen kind of an exercise. Great way to help kids learn colored pencil. It's not too big. It's not overwhelming. And when you're finished, you cut them out and you have an instant gallery display of your students' beautiful work. All right, let's get to time lapse. All right, we have our cool colors, and granted, this is all cool colors too, but we have our foundation layers. Started really with super light colors. I'm just starting to lay some pink in here. For the areas that are white, we're just gonna leave those white. We're gonna let the paper do the work. So I'm just gonna keep building the color. I'm using little circles, like I said before. Watch that tutorial on my YouTube, that little free workshop called Colored Pencil Basics for Crayola, and then this will make perfect sense. So I'm gonna go back to time lapse. So you're not sitting here all day watching me draw this. And thanks for joining me. All right, guys, we're going back to time lapse.